Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss the NCERT solutions of class 9 from the chapter Motion. An athlete completes one round of circular track of diameter 200 meter in 40 seconds. What will be the distance covered and the displacement at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds. Here we need to calculate the distance and displacement. According to the data given, we have diameter is equal to 200 meter of circular track. From that, radius is equal to 100 meter. So it is traveling in a circular path of radius 100 meter. How much time it has taken to complete one circular track means it takes 40 seconds. Time taken for one round is 40 seconds. Now here the athlete took 2 minutes 20 seconds. Here time taken 2 minutes 20 seconds means definitely the number of rounds an athlete completes becomes 2 minute 20 second divided by 40 seconds. So convert both of them into same system. 2 minutes means it is 120 and again 20 by 40. That is 140 divided by 40. So 14 by 4. 14 by 4 means it will be 3.5 rounds. So take a point A here. It is starting from A and traveling the complete circular path like this. How many number of rounds he will complete means 3.5 rounds he will complete. So now come to the distance and displacement. Therefore distance travelled is equal to for one complete circular path the distance travelled is 2 pi r. Now here 3.5 rounds. Therefore 2 pi r into 3.5. If we substitute the values 2 into 3, pi value is number 3.14 or 22 by 7. 3.14 radius 100 is equal, into 3.5. If we simplify this, we'll get 2200 meter. The distance travel is 2200 meter. Displacement. The displacement is equal to, if you observe clearly, 3.5 rounds. So it completes 3 complete rounds and 0.5 round. 0.5 round means it will comes exactly opposite to point A, reaches point B. That means diametrically it will be opposite side. Therefore, displacement is equal to final position minus initial position, the shortest distance between final and initial position. So, therefore, displacement value will be equal to diameter, that is nothing but is equal to 2 times of radius, that is also nothing but 200 meter. This is the distance and displacement covered by an athlete in 2 minutes 20 seconds. Coming to second problem. Joseph jogs from one end A to other end B of straight 300-meter road in 2 minutes 30 seconds and then turns around and jogs 100 meter back to point C in another 1 minute. What are average speeds and velocities in jogging from A to B and from A to C? We can imagine this situation as shown. This is point A. He is traveling in a straight line like this, reaches point B. So how much distance is there? 300 meter. So the distance between A and B is 300 meter. Suppose say this is S. And how much time it took? 2 minutes 30 seconds he has taken. So the time taken T is equal to 2 minutes 30 seconds. So 120 plus 30. So there is 150 seconds he will take. The time taken to travel from A to B, he will take 150 seconds. Now coming to first sub-question A. What is the average speed and average velocity from A to B? In this case, distance value is equal to displacement value. Y means is traveling in a straight line path from A to B. So distance is equal to displacement means then automatically average speed is equal to average velocity. That is nothing but here S divided by T. That is S is 300 meter covered within 150 seconds. So this value is nothing but 2 meters per second. So in the first sub question from A to B, the average speed, average velocity both are equal. Y means distance is equal to displacement. Coming to part B. Then he turns around the jogs 100 meter back to point C in another 1 minute. So from A to B is traveling and again from B to coming back to point C. From A to B, the distance is 300 meter. Time taken here is 150 seconds. To travel from again B to C, distance is 100 meter. If you are writing, it is S1 and it is S2. time taken T1 is 150 seconds, time T2 is equal to 1 minute. 1 minute means 60 seconds. Try to convert all of them into same system. Now, distance, displacement both will differ. Average speed, average velocity both will differ. In this case, distance traveled in the case 2 is equal to 300 meter plus 100 meter. That is nothing but 400 meter distance traveled. In this case, total time taken will be 150 seconds plus 60, that is 210 seconds. Time taken will be 210 seconds. Now, average speed is equal to total distance traveled by total time taken. According to this, total distance is 400 meter, total time taken 210, so there is 40 divided by 21, it is nearly 1.9 meter per second. While coming to displacement, is nothing but the final position minus initial position. It is coming back 100 meter. Therefore, displacement will be from A to C alone. So, displacement is equal to AC, that is number 300 minus 100. So, 200 meter. But time taken will be same, 210 seconds. Therefore, average velocity is equal to displacement divided by time, that is 200 divided by 210, that is 20 divided by 21. It is nearly 0.95 meters per second. Coming to question number 3. Abdul, while driving to school, computes the average speed for a trip to be 20 km per hour. On his return trip along the same route, there is less traffic and average speed is 30 km per hour. What is the average speed of Abdul's trip? For this one, there is a shortcut. I taught the derivation to solve such type of problems. First of all, Abdul is traveling from his home to school or from home to school with the speed V1, average speed V1 is equal to 20 kilometers per hour. How much distance it is? Suppose the distance S. And again is coming back from school to home with a different average speed. There is 30 kilometers per hour. But distance traveled is same. Here also, yes. What is the average speed for Abdul's trip. So in this case, average speed is equal to 2v1 v2 by v1 plus v2. If a body covers equal distances with different speeds v1 and v2, then average speed is equal to 2v1 v2 by v1 plus v2. This one we have derived. Once you can go through Kinematics playlist and can get this derivation. That is equal to 2 times of v1 is 20 kilometers per hour, v2 is 30 divided by 20 plus 30. If we simplify this, we will get 24 kilometers per hour. Otherwise, we can do in one more way also. We can take total distance traveled is s plus s divided by total time taken t1 plus t2. t1 can be written in terms of v and s, v1 and s. t2 you can write in terms of v2 and s. And after simplification, we can get the same answer. Thank you.